It's another great day. This is Dr. Willie Jolley, author of the book, A Setback is a Set Up for a Comeback. And today in this time of crisis, I want to give you tips to come back. I recently shared how if you can face it, God can help you fix it. In my book, I share a story about a woman whose husband went off to work one day and was killed in a car crash. She didn't know what to do, but she faced the situation as it was and decided to succeed in spite of the obstacles. She took the money they had been saving for a new home and went to college. After graduating, she went on to get advanced degrees and became a successful educator. She said that once she faced her situation, it was like riding a 10-speed bicycle where often we have gears we never use until we are forced to. You should start using all your gears right now, especially in these challenging times. And we can see how much further and faster we can go when we do. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. I'd love to hear from you. Go to winwithwillie.com and remember, your best is still yet to come.